Can y'all see who's here today? He decided to show up after lunch. Got the Jeezer all prettied up with some makeup on, and he's playing with the fuel rail system he got right now. As y'all can see, he's got his own little fuel pressure regulator and fittings, gauge. Very nice, very nice. But he's getting that all situated, and yeah, we're going to be hitting some bass and clear on that bay today, boys. So the goal is, sorry for the disaster too, as y'all can see, there's a mess in here. I've been doing all kinds of stuff. I painted this tranny the other day, and sort of plastics here, and yeah, as you can see, my wife's over there cleaning up those pieces and all that good stuff. So, but yeah, today, guys, the goal is base and clear the bay. And like I told him, we need to get that motor and tranny mated together. So before we can get to that step, obviously, you guys will get to see. But this will be a separate video. But as y'all can see, all the goodies that's coming. We've got the brand new flywheel. We've got the action clutch stage 3. So yeah, guys, that'll be on its own separate video. It'll be installing the clutch and flywheel and tranny on the GSR. But today's video, today's goal is to get some bass and some clear on this bay, guys. So I've got my hose thrown out. I'm about to pull the compressor out here so I have it closer. I went and bought a 25-foot hose so I don't have the doubt of losing air pressure from the compressor to the gun. So I think I was having issues with that because I was running the 100-foot. So, but yeah, guys, we're gonna get everything ready to get wiped down and get ready to hit this thing with some bass. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. While you're at it, hit the like button because you're gonna like this one, boys. And activate the bell icon down below so get notifications. So we're gonna get ready to wipe this thing down. I'll be back with y'all with another update. All right, boys. Check out what my homeboy got your boy. Been wanting this thing for a while.
Don't keep crying and shit.
Hey, you know, I had a problem with the gun yesterday. And, felt sorry for me, so he went ahead and ordered the Drizzle P by Intercraft. Been wanting this. Actually, it's the Drizzle D1. Sorry about that, guys. By Intercraft. They say that this gun is real easy to use for beginners, and you get pro-like results. So we're gonna go ahead and lay down his clear with it. He ordered it for the base, but it didn't show up, so we may do what we had. And his mom just came through with the package, and it showed up. So wife gave me the idea to go ahead and use this one for the clear, put it to the test, and we're gonna check out and see how good it works, boys. So check it out. How it comes. Real nice. Man, that's nice. Boy, what money can do in this world, let me tell you. And my boy's got plenty of it, guys.
Nah.
So that's why I get these good things.
No,
Look at that. And we not sponsored. We not sponsored yet. Wish we was, but we not. So, man, that thing is a beauty. It comes with a throne adjuster. Oh man, look at that. It's got the gray to go with it. Man, that's really nice. What'd you pay for it? $93?
Yeah.
$93, boys. So we're gonna go ahead and use this for the clear. And yeah, I'll be right back with y'all. All right, guys, you're looking at the first coat of base laid down. It's I didn't go too heavy because I didn't want to run this stuff, so I'm still very inexperienced and just learning as I go. So don't want to go too heavy and running, boys. All right, boys, this is the second coat of base. We got a good, thick pause layer and good coverage all the way through and through. So I'm happy with it. On to the clear, guys.
Second coat of clear, boys. Still trying to minimize how much I put off. I don't want to run it. They say this clear is famous for running, so taking extra precautions, trying to give my boy the best results I can get him. So this second coat, the next coat will be the final coat. And yeah, guys, you happy with it, bro?
Yeah.
So
I like it. I like it. Like it very much.
Yeah, man. I'll get this right here. I'll hit it a little heavier the next coat, and you won't see so much of that blotch. Looking good, boys. Look at them strut towers. That's what I'm talking about. Ahí, papá. Dios es bueno. Dios es bueno. Una oracioncita antes de meter mano y mira lo que sale. Una oración, ya. Mira, si vos que nunca ves, te vas a quedar ahí adentro hueliendo esa mierda.
right, boys. That's going to do it for this video. We got it all torn apart, all the suspension out of it. We got it sitting on jack stands. We're going to paint the wheel wells, including this part right here that you see yellow. We should have never got paint on that, but that's all right. We're going to go over it with the black rubberized or whatever it's called. It's kind of like the Rhino liner. We're going to do his whole wheel well and this whole section black. So we got new suspensions, like I mentioned. So yeah, boys, that's going to do it for this video. Painting the bay. I believe we got really good results. Everything got good coat all the way through and through. So yeah, boys, definitely hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't enjoy the video and you just hating, hit the dislike button. Either way, it helps the channel out like you would never know. So appreciate each and every single one of you, the lovers, the haters. And yeah, boys, till the next time. And y'all make sure y'all stay tuned because we got content on this car, on this build, dropping nonstop. This is, like I mentioned before, the Black Widow. It's my boy Rav's car. It's my GSR swap. Yeah, we're gonna have to change it, bro, because I got a homeboy on here, another brother, yo, that his car is the Black Widow. Shout out to the Mad Doc. If you're not subscribed to him, go check his channel out, boys. More very informational guy, very smart guy. He knows what he's doing with the body work, ideas, so on and so forth. And there's another homeboy of mine too, bro, Zippo. Shout out to Zippo Works. He's down in Florida. He got a black EG like this on Boost, single cam. Los dos son a fuego, bro. Good peoples. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, stay tuned. We got the ball joints all knocked out today. We got the wheel hubs, the wheel bearings. We got everything knocked out. So that'll all be separate videos. But like I said, you're going to want to stay tuned. Lots of content coming on this channel with Hondas. And yeah, boys, definitely hit the bell icon down below as well to get notifications whenever we drop new content. Like I said, we're going to try to make it nonstop.
I gotta go get a bag.
So yeah, boys, appreciate you all. Love you all. Till the next one, guys. God bless you all. We out to the next one.